Alright, greetings from Lenawee County in the great state of Michigan. I am the Lenawee Trekker. I have a little project today. I've got a new PCX. It's a 150. Actually, it's like 157 or something like that. It is... That little torture device on there has got to go. I can't stand that. I hate that. I want something to stop the wind from hitting me right in the chest. Bugs, rocks, nuts and bolts, small wheels, parts of aircraft engines that are falling off from the sky, you know, that kind of stuff. So, this is my attempt to bring a little sanity back to my riding. Yeah, I know, ride the bigger bike, I know. Well, I've had this thing sitting out in the trailer forever. So this is the windshield that I bought for it. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. It should give me a little bit more protection. I hope. I hope. Alright. Let's get into this thing. There are, I don't know if you can see that, a screw hole here, a screw hole right here. And let's see if this thing will fit up into there. Ah, come on, baby. Yes, there we go. Come on out of there. And right up into there. Come on. Come on, fall out. Ah, doesn't want to fall out. Alright. I want to get those screws out of there before I lose them. Oh, maybe they just... I'm fairly certain I can take the screws off the old PCX and make those work if I have to, but let's hope that I don't have to. Call me old-fashioned. Let's just keep the screws that are for this one on this one. There we go. There we go. Alright. Now, if I remember right, from the manual, there is a clip down in here and a clip down in here. Holds it down. There you go. There you go. Come on, baby. Now, if I've done this right, this thing should. There's one. And this should just slide right off. Alright. We've got an Allen screw. And we've got probably 10mm bolts. So let's do this. 10mm, 10mm. Boy, those are on there. Alright, cool. Okay. Now, nope. There we go. What do you think? 5? Oh, hey, look at that. I don't know if I like that. Okay. I think that could have been probably tightened down just a wee bit more. Well, what do I know? All right. All right. Now for the O.E.M torture device to be removed. As you can see, it is transparent. I should have gotten the black one. But I didn't. Warning, if you're going to install this on your bike, it could cause death or catastrophe or whatever. No, see. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that. That is much nicer. That is much nicer than the O.E.M. Oh, yes, and look, it's got this bulge. And it's got this lip, too, here, where it's going to force the air out this way. Same thing, a little bit of a curve up here. Very nice. Very nice. Let's hold this baby in place. Alright, that's aligned. That's aligned. Do I go O.E.M or do I go with these? Go O.E.M. See, there are little washers on there, so go O.E.M. Besides, the heads of these look like they're bigger than the ones. They look like they're bigger. Well, maybe oh, maybe not. They weren't on there all that tight to begin with. Okay. I don't want to tighten them down to crack the windshield, obviously. I mean, just spent a good amount of money on this. All right. All right. Now, let's see. We can line this thing back up. Oh, I see. This has to fit into this. These have to fit up under there. Okay, okay. Wow, a third hand would be really good. Have to take a ride down to Monroe and go swim in the heavy water at Fermi too. Yeah, see, as soon as you let go of the pressure on the one side, it just pops right back out. Huh. Hold that bitch. Come on. Well, it's not impossible. Only feels like it. Still got a lot of gap there, though. Will the screws take up the difference? Is that the deal? Oh, I guess so. Well, it's not impossible to change. It's just a pain in the ass to change. Okay. Well, there you go. Now, I've got a windshield on my bike. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I'm seeing just above the windshield. And as you can see, there's some holdout for some wind to come around this way, around the side. So, yeah, okay. I can live with this. All right. That's it. Runaway Tractor, out.